Hey guys, so Framer made a big announcement yesterday, and this is pretty crucial for people doing services and especially webinars. So they just announced yesterday they've added a creative section, which before I used to do specific things with using code overrides or components, but now they allow you to do it right on the canvas. So right here, we have countdown as well as arc text, and there's some other ones I'm going to show you right now. So you go here in Framer insert, and we're going to go down here to creative. So we got big text, arc, scribbles, countdown. So let's say if we do another arc, do it right here. Let's say right here you can do like, hey, join my webinar. And with this background, I want to just make it light. Let's make it white. And then if I want this to, just to show you, you see it's not going to rotate yet. So what you have to do actually, you need to just add an effect, do loop, and then transition. Keep it at linear. If you do like 1 second, it's going to be way too fast. So depending how long your text is, but let's do it, let's say 12 seconds. Oh, that was delay. Time 12. So you don't hit delay. Make sure delay is 0. There you go. So join. So let's say we have a webinar, and then let's say you have time and date. Let's say we want to add a countdown. So we do that here. Now, I like what I did above. So what I would do is probably, actually, let's say for webinar, you could probably go both, but I would put it under. So let's do this like that. This, change it up. So let's do white. Get this nice and big. So the font, let's beef it up. Yeah, 40. So we do that. And this, you can customize it however you like. So if you want 1 digit, you can do custom. So if you want, let's say, you know, with the letters, day, time, you know, some people, if you don't want that, maybe you can do dots, auto, no space, you know, so you want to hide the minutes. Probably good to show the minutes at least. Tabular. We'll make it more compact. But yeah, so if you're doing a webinar, this is perfect. This is really, this just gives you more incentive to use something like Framer, because now you don't even need to use code. You can just do it like this. And let's say I take these two. Let's create a stack. Make it go sideways. Fill. Bam. And then add some padding. Like that. Now, I added some noise grain here. There's some other, there's I'm sure they're gonna add way more going forward, but you know, you've got just several now. So let's say you wanted to add like a grid right here. So if I want that to take up the whole container, the whole stack, let's do, I mean, we can honestly just do fixed. Just keep it there, match it like that. Now, obviously, we want the content to show, so Z index, let's do 0. Let's reduce the opacity. And I should be able to invert it, so let's do styles, filters, invert. So let's just say it doesn't really work with this theme, but let's say, you know, you wanted to add some kind of pattern or something, you know, it's way too much. Like that. You can even change, there's the opacity, the styles. Let's see the perspective. Yeah, scale. So you can go really small, really big. So it's pretty big, but yeah, let's see that. What happens if I make this a little bit? No. So yeah, there you have it. I personally, the most interesting I find of this is the arc and the countdown, but I'm sure their Framer is going to be adding more, just more things, more cool things you can do that you won't need to be using code overrides or code components. So yeah, for anyone who's got a webinar business or agency, they do webinars. Hope this helps.